Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new most exciting question. But before starting the question, to those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to share it. So the question today we are having that is Mira's expenditure and savings are in the ratio that is 3:2. Her income increases by 10%. Her expenditure also increases by 12%. By how much percent do her saving increases? So here we have to find out the saving after the increase in 10% in her income and 12% increase in her expenditure. So the first thing which we have to do, we take that let Mira's old expenditures and saving be that is in the ratio that is 3:2. So we have just taken the expenditure and the saving. So this is the ratio for the expenditure, and for saving we are having that is 2x. So these are the old before the increases in her income and the expenditure. So the first thing which we have to do now that is to find out her income. So here we are having only her expenditure and saving, but we are unaware about her income. So for this we take her income will be so to find out our income we take, so this is the expenditure and this is the saving. So 3x plus 2x. So this is expenditure plus the saving. If we combine both the expenditure and the saving, we get here the income for Mira. So this becomes that is 5x. So this 5x is her income. So income, so we take old income. So this is old income and this is 5x. So now we have just found out the income for Mira's. So how did we found income? So it is very easy. There is nothing to be worried. So income is equal to expenditure plus the saving. So through this formula, we have just found the income. So expenditure was in the ratio that is 3x plus, and the saving was in the ratio that is 2x. So if we added both these, so this becomes that is 5x. So through this method, we have just taken and found out the income. So this 5x is the old income of Mira's. And the next thing which we have to do, we take the new income. So what will be the new income for Mira's? So the new income will be that is, so this is 5x. So how much is increased in the income? So the increase percentage we are having that is 10% increase. So we increase 10%. So this is 110. So this was just taken out by the formula that is, so this is 5 and through this 1 plus 10% increase. So we have just increased. So this 5 is multiplied by both. So this becomes that is how much? So to understanding this 110 by 100. So how we have got this? Through this. So this becomes that is 100. So this is 500 plus 10, and the LCM was that is 100. So this becomes that is 5 multiplied by 110 divided by 100, and through this method we have just found this 110 by 100. So now we are increasing it by 10%. So this becomes that is, so we cancel out 0 0 and 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this becomes that is 11. So this is 11 upon 2x, and this becomes that is 5.5x. So this is the new, we have just taken now new income. So this is the new income after the increase of 10%. So the old income that was 5x and the new income is 5.5x. So this 0.5 is now increased, and this is the new income. And the next thing which we have to do, the expenditure is also increased by 12%. So now the new expenditure, so the new expenditure, we are having the ratio for the expenditure that is 3x. So after the 12% increase, we get that is 3x multiplied by 112 divided by 100. So this method you have, I think, understood here. So this becomes that is, we get here 25 and here is 28. So this becomes that is, so 3 multiplied by 28, that is 84 divided by this 25x, and this becomes that is 3.36x, and this is now the new expenditure. The old was 3 and the new is 3.36. So 0.36 is the increased in new expenditure. And now thus the new saving will be, so after finding the income and the expenditure, so you can also look in the question, it says that how much percentage do her saving increase. In the question it is asking about the saving, and the whole game is about the saving. So thus the new saving will be, so the new saving, so here we are having the formula for saving. So this is income minus, so if we take out the expenditure, so we get here the answer that is saving. So the new saving, so this is new saving. So the old income, the new income we have found out that is 5.5x. So 5.5x minus, and the expenditure, the new expenditure, that is 3.36x. So this becomes the saving, the new saving. So here the new saving we get that is 2.14x, and this is the new saving. So this is new saving. I hope till here you have completely understood. And now therefore the saving is increased by, so here we have found the new income that was 5.5 and the new expenditure that was 3.3x. So by how much is the saving increase? So therefore saving is increased by, so here the new saving we are having that is 2.14x. In the old saving, the old saving, so this is the saving and it is in the ratio that is 2x. So 2x, and this becomes that is 0.14. so this is the portion after the increases in 10% income and 12% expenditure. The new saving was just in the fraction that was 0.14. so this portion has been now increased. So now we have to, so we have just found this to find out the percentage increase in saving. So therefore the percentage increase in saving now will be so the percentage of increase. So here we found, so this is the portion which has been increased. So this is 0.14 by how much? So we are having by how much? In the old portion, not in the new. The old saving was just 2. So we divide it by 2, multiply it by 100. So this 100 is for the percentage. So this is the percentage, and we have just taken out this portion. This was increased in the saving, and we have just divided by the old saving. So this becomes that is, so 0.14 multiplied by 100, it becomes that is 14 divided by 2%. So 2 ones are and 2 sevens. So here the percentage increase we have just got that is 7%, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood the question and the method. So thank you very much, but don't forget to subscribe the channel.